Hi, we want to make an AR pop-up from a book. We choose 3D to use as content. Okay, this time we will make a Dino encyclopedia. We try to adjust the size and position. You can also add images. We choose forest. We set its position at the back. Then set the size to be larger. Then we add 3D text. This is the title of the book. The Encyclopedia of Dinosaurs. We set the thickness of the 3D text. Then place. Set its position at the top. Okay, let's see the results. It turns out it's closed. Let's try setting it again. Okay, let's try checking again. Let's rearrange the position so it's more forward and higher. Okay, then we select the custom marker feature. To organize with a book cover. Okay, let's choose the design. Then there is a display for setting the QR size. You can place it anywhere. In the book design. Okay, let's select here for the position. More or less the result will be like this. AR that will appear from the book cover. Okay, we select Next. If it is appropriate, we can also adjust the content size again. Okay, click. Next, we download the marker. The one that already has QR. Well, this is the result of a marker design that has added QR. You can scan the following QR section to see the AR results. Well, this is when the book is already printed. So, when it has been scanned, the AR results will appear as follows. Good luck!